So when I'm asked, how can I know if the doctor or my doctor is responsible for my baby's injury that occurred to me here in Florida? Now, injuries to babies and during the actual labor and delivery itself, or after a child is delivered, sometimes these are the most severe types of injury cases that we handle. I've been privileged to represent families and have made sure that they receive the full compensation that they are entitled to make sure that their child is fully taken care of over their entire lifetime if they've been injured either in the delivery process or after the fact. Okay, so what does this all involve? Well, they're complicated cases because usually they involve hundreds, if not thousands, of pages of medical records. And when someone contacts our office and they say, Greg, my child either was severely injured or maybe even tragically died, we think that a doctor or a hospital might have been responsible for this. The first thing that we do is we say, look, we're going to have to analyze the medical records, and we're going to analyze those records with experts in the medical field that have excellent qualifications. In fact, we want to make sure that our experts that analyze those cases come from, that have great backgrounds, that are highly educated, sterling reputations, and are brilliant in terms of what they do. Because we want to make sure, if we're investigating a claim, we want to make sure that it is a valid claim. These cases can be very emotionally charged. They can have lifelong implications, and we want to make sure that in the sense of what the medicine is, do we have sufficient evidence or proof that there was a violation or deviation in the standard of care? If there's no such proof that's available, then we're going to tell you what that news is, even if it's difficult news to handle. And we're not going to pursue the claim. We're only going to pursue a meritorious claim. If there is such a claim, then we will pursue it, and we will pursue it fully until you and your family receive the full amount of compensation that you're entitled to. These are complicated cases. Sometimes they take several years, but we here at Perenich the Law Firm have been around for many years, and we're going to be around a lot longer. And we're going to be here to represent you and your family to make sure that you truly get all the compensation that you deserve if you or a family member has been the victim of a medical malpractice, especially if it involves a child or a baby that's been born that sustains very serious injuries.